everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make eggless hash browns. This is very good for a vegetarian snack. So the ingredients you need are 2 boiled potatoes, 2 raw potatoes, or you can use one, around 4 or 5 tablespoons of flour, around 5 to 8 tablespoons of oil, some pepper, salt, and red chili. So you need 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and around 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, but it's your choice if you want to make it more spicy. And you need some utensils. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is take your potatoes that you already boiled and put it into one bowl to mash them. If you'd like, you could use this or you could use your hands. Make sure the potatoes look like mashed potatoes, so they should be fully smashed. Now take the potatoes that you haven't boiled yet and cut them into long slices, like this. Make sure they're nice and thin. Potatoes into thin slices. It's time to put it into your mashed potatoes. If you'd like, you could use 2 medium potatoes, but for now we're just going to use 1 potato and see how it looks and tastes. Now it's time to add your flour. And after you add your flour, if you'd like, you could add some vegetables. And add your pepper, salt, and chili powder mix. And stir that with anything you'd like. Now if you'd like, you could use your hand to make the big, long slices mix into the other potato. Now you take your oil and put it around your pan. Make sure not to put too much. And then you take your potato batter and make it however shape you want. And if you'd like, you could add more flour so it's less sticky, but we like this type of flavor and texture. Now you can see it's getting golden brown, so if you'd like, you could flip it to see if the other side's golden brown, but it should take time. It's not ready yet, but... Okay guys, after you take it off your pan, this is how it should look like. It makes about 8 to 10 hash browns depending on what size you do. It looks very delicious. If you like this recipe, please like this video. Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!